Hi, I'm Satara, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 26 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. Creates a new surface at a specified distance from the original surface. You can choose the direction, inward or outward, and whether the offset is constant or varies along the surface. Pushpin use cases, creating space for material thickness, e.g., casting, plating, designing inner or outer shells, preparing surfaces for bullion operations. Creates a new surface at a varying distance from the original surface. Instead of one constant distance, you can set different offset values at multiple points. Pushpin use cases, designing complex organic surfaces, adjusting thickness in specific areas, fine-tuning surfaces for comfort or balance.